Janice invested $12,000 in two funds. One of the funds returned 6% interest and the other returned 8% interest after 1 year. If the total interest for the year was $880, how much did she invest in each fund? In this problem, we're going to let X equal the amount invested at 6%, and we'll call that Fund 1. We let Y equal the amount invested at 8%, and we'll call that Fund 2. We are given that the total of $12,000 was invested in the two funds. We're also given that the interest earned for 1 year was $880. We're going to create a table. So the APR for Fund 1 is 0.06 and the principal is X. The APR for Fund 2 is 0.08 and the principal is Y. We're going to multiply across the columns to get the interest. So the interest earned from Fund 1 is 0.06X. And the interest earned from Fund 2 is 0.08Y. We're going to translate this to a system of equations. We are given that the total of $12,000 was invested in the two funds. So X plus Y equals 12,000. We're also given that the interest earned after 1 year was $880. So 0.06X plus 0.08Y equals 880. This is our system of equations. We're going to solve the first equation for X and then substitute it into the second equation. So the first equation, X plus Y equals 12,000. We're going to solve for X by subtracting Y from both sides. Subtracting Y from both sides, we get that X is 12,000 minus Y. We're going to substitute that in for X in the second equation. The second equation is 0.06X plus 0.08Y equals 880. We're going to substitute this expression for X into this second equation. We get 0.06 times 12,000 minus Y plus 0.08Y equals 880. We're going to distribute the 0.06 through the parentheses. So 0.06 times 12,000 is 720 minus 0.06Y plus 0.08Y equals 880. Combining like terms and subtracting 720 from both sides, we get 0.02Y equals 880 minus 720 is 160. Dividing both sides of the equation by 0.02, we get that y equals 8,000. Now x is 12,000 minus y, so x is 12,000 minus 8,000, so x is 4,000. So $4,000 was in Fund 1 at 6%, and $8,000 was in Fund 2 at 8%. Checking this as our check, we can see that 0.06 times 4,000 plus 0.08 times 8,000 equals 880.